Hey guys, this is how you sift and measure flour. So what you're gonna need is a bowl, a dry measuring cup, a butter knife, a sieve, a spoon, and most importantly, the flour. Okay, so the first step to measuring flour. Grab your dry measuring cup and your spoon. You take the flour with the spoon and fill the dry measuring cup until it's overflowing. So fill it all the way. Fill it all the way up until it's overflowing like that. Then you take your knife and you level it off. So just like that. Then you take your sieve and you pour it into the sieve and shake it. Shake it until there's nothing left, just a bunch of crumbs. And then you pour it out again, and then you sift it into the bowl again. So just like that. Just like that. Okay. And then it turns into a fine powder, and you're done.